Facing issues with your CapCut password on iPhone? Whether you forgot it or want to reset it for security, this can happen due to account inactivity or login errors. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your CapCut password using your iPhone. So let's get started. If you created your account with email, then follow this process. Open up the CapCut app. Now tap on the Me tab or profile icon below. After that, tap on the Tap to Sign In option. Next, tap Sign In with email. After that, enter your email address. Here you will see the Forgot Password option. Tap on it, then recheck your email address. Then tap Send Code. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email address. Enter the code here, then tap Continue. Now enter the new password. After that, tap Continue and your password reset is done. And there you have it. This is how you can reset your CapCut password using your Apple ID or Google account or Apple ID on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.